Tesla engineers try to convince Elon Musk not to give up radar for self-driving. How many times has this Elon Musk photo been used in an article? Well, how many would you say? How many would you say? Like a million? A million times?
Yeah.
A new report states that Tesla engineers tried to convince Elon Musk not to give up on radar for its autopilot self-driving effort. Tesla has a weird history with radar sensors for its autopilot and self-driving vehicle program. The automaker decided to remove its front-facing radar and, more recently, ultrasonic sensors, which is Willie Doo's favorite topic in the world.
Yeah, big fan.
I think we're going to talk about this every episode.
Tesla Vision and USS.
Until Will gets his sensors back.
I'm going to talk about it more.
Yeah. He's pissed right off.
Yeah.
It's all part of Tesla Vision approach, where the automaker believes that the best way to achieve self-driving capability is through cameras being the only sensors. The logic is that the roads are designed to be operated by humans who operate cars through vision and biological neural nets. So and their idea then being that we should have cameras, which are the most similar to how humans see the world. And so long as we work through that, we're going to have a system that operates the most like a human's capabilities. Mm-hmm. Some Tesla engineers were aghast, said former employees with knowledge of his reaction. Speaking on the condition of anonymity for fear of retribution, they contacted a trusted former executive for advice on how to talk Musk out of it. And previously unreported pushback. With radar, Teslas would be susceptible to basic perception errors if the cameras were obscured by raindrops or even bright sunlight, problems that could lead to crashes. So they're saying, like, radar doesn't have the same downsides of vision-based systems. And we just went through the winter and you saw some of the issues with vision-based systems as snow and rain and other crap.
And they're not able to clean themselves?
Not yet.
Not yet.
I think if you're vision only, it does make sense to think about little spray nozzles on all these different cameras or coatings that keep things like salt from gunking up on them. I don't know what the plan is there.
Hopefully they figure it out. Tesla Vision. So much risk, but hopefully a lot of reward.
Willie Doo for president. So much risk, but much reward. Willie Doo for president. Yeah.